What's a type of pain people underestimate until they experience it for themselves? Ruptured ovarian cyst. I was in horrible pain and randomly vomiting. Went to the ER. They eventually find the cyst. OBGYN on call wanted to send me home. Their imaging made him believe my ovary was still getting blood, and I would have to just wait it out. I was so fortunate whatever head physician in the ER that night came in and told me he wanted me to wait for the shift change and a second opinion. Next, OBGYN on call decided to admit me for surgery to drain it, and when they got in to do that, turns out it was a torsion and my ovary was dead. I am so grateful that doctor kept me. I was in my early 20s and wasn't great at asking for help or advocating for myself. And I would have gone home, and who knows what would have happened to me after that.